Good morning, students. Today's topic name is Chapter 12 Exponents and Powers, Exercise 12.1. In this exercise, we will discuss today question number 4, that is evaluate or find the value of first part is 8 to the power minus 1 multiply by 5 raised to power 3 divide by 2 raised to power minus 4. Okay, this question solve by using law of exponents. You know very well, first of all you have to my 8 convert into power form. Okay, and you know very well 8 means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 का multiply. In other words we can say 2 cube, 2 power 3 बनेगा ये. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8, और इसको हम 2 पावर 3 लिख सकते हैं. ओके, क्लियर. तो 8 को मैंने क्या राइट डाउन कर दिया, 2 रेज टू पावर 3. ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 रेज टू पावर 3 डिवाइड बाय 2 रेज टू पावर माइनस 4. ओके, नाउ वी यूज हियर लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट here, that is a raised to power m whole power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. Okay, then 2 multiply by minus 1, that is 2 raised to power 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 upon 2 upon minus 4 multiply by 2 raised to power 5 raised to power 3. Okay, clear. Now we use here law of exponent, a raised to power m, a raised to power n is equal a raised to power m minus n. Here two bases are same and exponent or power is are different here, so we use here this law. Now 2 raised to power m minus n, m is minus 3 and n is minus 4, so minus 3 minus and minus n is minus 4. Okay, and multiply by 5 raised to power 3, that is 2 raised to power minus 3 plus minus into minus plus and 4, 5 raised to power 3, that is equals to 4 minus 3, 2 raised to power 1 multiply by 5 raised to power 3 means 5 into 5 multiply by 5, and 5 multiply by 5 25, 25 into 5 125, 125 2 the 2 raised to power 1 means 2, then answer will be 250. This is your answer of first part. Now come to the part second. In this question we use law of exponent. Just look at the question, 5 power minus 1, 2 power minus 1 and power is common here and bases are different. In this condition we will use here law of exponent in which bases are different. Okay, a raised to power m multiply by a raised to power n b raised to power m, powers are same here, so a into b and power will be common. This law we will apply here, so we have 5 into 2 and put common power. Okay, m है ना, a into b 5 into 2 का मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा और पावर जो सेम है -1 वो कॉमनली पुट कर देंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 रेज टू पावर -1, सो 5 to the 10 raised to power -1 multiply by 6 raised to power -1. Again we will apply same law for 10 raised to power -1 and 6 raised to power -1. Here bases are same and bases are different and exponent are same, so we will use here 10 into a into b whole power m, and exponents or power is same here, minus 1. So we get from here 10 into 6, 60 whole power minus 1 upon minus 1. Okay, 60 power minus 1 और power minus 1 है, it means we will use here law of exponent a raised to power minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to power m. पावर कोई भी बेस की पावर माइनस में है तो 1 के डिवाइड में आते ही ये पॉजिटिव बन जाएगी पावर. सो 1 अपॉन 60 रेज टू पावर 1, दैट इज 1 अपॉन 60. दिस इज योर आंसर. Okay, now come to the question number 5th. Find the value of m for which m raised to power 5 raised to power m divided by 5 power minus 3 is equal 5 power 5. Okay, in this question we have to calculate value of m. Clear? So how we calculate here? So for calculating the value of m, we will apply here law of exponent, in which bases are same and divide and powers are different here, exponent are different here. So we will use here law of exponent, a raised to power m divide by a raised to power n is equal a raised to power m minus n. This law we will use here. Okay, so here 5 raised to power m minus n, this is m and this is n. Okay, 5 raised to power m minus n, n is minus 3. So value of n put in small bracket, minus 3 put in small bracket is equal 5 raised to power 5. So we have m minus into minus plus is equal 5 raised to power 5. So from here we can say on the both side same bases, same powers have same bases, 5 and 5 bases are same here, so power must be equal. Then we can say from here on both sides powers have same bases, so exponent must be equal. From here we can say कि यहाँ पे जब बेस सेम है उस कंडीशन में पावर है वो इक्वल होगी. तो m प्लस 3 इज इक्वल में क्या आ जाएगा, इधर क्या पावर, इधर m प्लस 3 है लेफ्ट में और राइट में 5 है, तो m प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 5. एंड फ्रॉम हियर ऑन ट्रांसफर द 3 इन द राइट साइड, then we get m is equal 5 minus 3, that is 2. m is equal 2. This is your answer. Okay, thank you.